My instincts are telling me to hit the gas station, gas up if I need to, grab a Red Bull or something, and head out to Detroit. And I'm feeling that idea, man, because out there I had the potential to hook into something big, and that's always exciting. So we'll see what happens. That's the plan for now. Head out to Detroit and see if we can put some big smallies in the boat. In the pretend boat. See if we can pull some big smallies up on the bank. Alright, so we'll see what happens, man. I'm hoping that the weather holds out, but if not, we dope bass anglers, yo. This is what we do. It's about the adventure, right? Let's go. Like, sub, share, please, and thank you. I'm out.